Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to gain healthy weight without getting belly fat. Okay, there is difference between gaining healthy weight and then there's difference between just gaining weight and then you're just going to see that you're going to have some flappy hands, belly fat, your back fat and all of those stuff. Okay, now this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you is not going to do that, but yet you're going to gain a healthy weight but not so much. But you have to also follow the rules of this natural homemade remedy. Okay, I'm going to be telling you what that is at the end of the video, so let's dive into the video and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's go. Gain a healthy weight, guys, you're going to be needing this. Okay, now this is actually going to help you to gain weight in only those places in which it is right for some fat to be stored, like your backside and your legs and a little bit here and there. Okay, we're needing some banana because banana is great for the skin. It contains potassium that helps to balance your hormone system in the body. Okay, so it's going to help you to gain a healthy weight. You're going to be needing some milk. Now this is actually going to help you so much in retaining some healthy weight at those places in which you want some good fat. And then you're going to be needing some dates. Okay, this is actually not only going to help you gain weight, like this is actually going to help you do two things in one. Now if you're among those people who do not have who does not have this urge for your partner, date is actually going to help you achieve that, and it's also going to help you alongside with banana to gain a healthy weight. And then also you're going to be needing some nuts. This is cashew nut. Okay, this is actually very healthy. If you must take any weight gain remedy, there should be some nut. Even if it's groundnut, cashew nut and every other nuts. Okay, it's actually very healthy because it's going to help to polish up your skin, it's going to make you look beautiful, and it's going to make you look really healthy fat. Achieve that, guys, you're gonna be needing a blender, and then you're gonna be taking your banana, you're gonna be breaking the banana in pieces or cutting the banana in pieces into the blender. Oh yeah, and after that is done, you're gonna mix the milk before using it. Okay, so you're gonna mix it. If you're using powdered milk, you're gonna mix it first. If you're using liquid milk, you can just put it straight. So you're gonna turn that into the banana, and this is it. Now the next thing is the cashew nut. Then also you'd have to be putting in your dates. Now you'd have to use dates that has seeds. Okay, those seedless dates are not organic. Any date that does not have seeds is not organic and is not going to do the work for you. So you're going to be opening this up this way. And now you're going to be putting in some water, and then you're going to go blend it. So I'm going to go blend this and I'll be right back. So here is your fat gain remedy, and you're going to turn this into a cup. And this is how it is. Okay, it's actually very healthy and it's actually going to help you gain weight. Okay, when you drink this morning, afternoon and night, you are going to be really flourishing on your skin, and you are really going to gain a lot of weight at the right places. Okay, the difference between this one and every other junk food is that this is actually not going to make you gain weight in your stomach area because of the nuts, the healthy ingredients in it, but this is only going to make you gain weight at the right places. Okay, so you drink this 3 times in a day and you're good to go. Yeah, let me have a take. Wow, this is so good. This tastes really nice. It tastes sweet, but it is so good. So take this 3 times a day and you're going to gain a whole lot of weight. Okay, so now one of the things you should not do while taking this is that you don't take too much of cold water, and then don't take too much of soda, and then don't take too much of carbohydrate. Like, too much of everything is not good. So you have to take everything at a moderate, level, and take this and you're going to gain a whole lot of weight, and it tastes really nice, like so nice. I'm sure you're going to be enjoying it while you take it. Okay, and of course with the date in it, if you're a woman, if you're a man, it does 2 things, just like I said in the video. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.